Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of September, 2024, our system has classified Intel as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 6.24% since we initially recommended purchasing Intel just 6 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.04% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the latest developments, we cannot predict the stock's next movement, as it could go in either direction. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 42.59% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 60.57% to negative 42.59%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a reduction of about 38.24% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 51.64% and negative 5.79%. This implies a price range of approximately $11.03 to $21.49 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for Intel as stock downgraded to hold accumulate." The Intel stock price experienced an increase of 1.11% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, rising from $22.56 to $22.81. This marks 4 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if the stock will take a short pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.68%, with a low of $22.29 and a high of $23.11. Notably, the price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and has increased by 20.18% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 87 million shares, with a total of 96 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.19 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate a divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $51.28, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the price is 55.51%, or $28.47, below the 52-week high, and 67.08%, or $46.48, below the all-time high reached on January 24, 2020, when the price hit $69.29. Intel Corporation is currently viewed as undervalued, trading at a market capitalization of approximately $93 billion and down 55% year-to-date. Analysts suggest that long-term investors may find this an appealing entry point, especially as the outlook for the personal computer market improves, potentially indicating signs of recovery by the year 2025. Additionally, Qualcomm's reported interest in a potential takeover of Intel underscores significant market interest in the semiconductor giant. although no immediate catalysts are anticipated from Intel's client PC segment in the short term. This move could ignite conversations around consolidation within the tech industry, potentially creating competitive advantages. Furthermore, Intel's strategic shift towards bolstering Western manufacturing through partnerships or additional investments could enhance its market position. Analysts project optimistic earnings per share and revenue growth for fiscal year 2025, suggesting considerable upside potential. While the company's recent challenges have affected investor sentiment, the expectation of a rebound and strategic actions such as a potential Qualcomm acquisition could stabilize and possibly elevate Intel's stock in the long term. Such developments could lead to a significant return of over 30% within the next year. Investors should closely monitor these evolving narratives as they hold the potential to reshape Intel's market trajectory in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Intel a buy rating along with a hold action. On the same day, Wolfe Research issued a reduce rating for Intel, also accompanied by a hold action. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, Bank of America Securities rated Intel as underperform with a hold action. On that same day, Exane BNP Paribas similarly gave Intel an underperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, KeyBank assigned Intel a sector weight rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book ratio as a buy as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for Intel. The Intel stock exhibits buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During potential downward corrections, support can be expected at $21.64 and $20.37. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, September 6, 2024, with the stock having increased by 20.75% since then. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 124 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages has a buy signal from 132 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel currently finds support from accumulated volume at $21.84. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 82 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 3.68%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 5.79%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at a loss of 3 cents per share. It is essential to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $21.84. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Scott Gawel, who bought and sold 9,888 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 1.679. In total, insiders purchased 450,195 shares and sold 428,883 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $22.05, reflecting a decrease of 3.32%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 76, which significantly heightens the risk factor. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 16 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel presents several positive indicators. However, we believe these alone do not warrant a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it is advisable to categorize it as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy rating to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 25th of September, we anticipate Intel will open lower, decreasing by approximately 7 cents, starting at a price of $22.73. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.